Hello there ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video. Now this one I just want to kind of show off a build and how I sort of build it as well. So as you can see here, I got some new keycaps for the ErgoDox, and so I decided to fit the rest of the build to match the keycaps basically. So yeah, looks like this. Pretty cool stuff. So up here, what this is actually a DDR2 RAM. So basically this thing here, since this is DDR2, they're pretty much worthless. Yeah, so I have a bunch of these around the place, and I just used it because it looks cool. It looks like it's kind of part of the keyboard. Alright, so next thing is, here's just a LED. So all this is kind of not permanent. So what I mean by that is the RAM is stuck on with double-sided tape. This is stuck on with a bit of blue tack under it and so on. So this way, if I ever get other keycaps or whatever, I'll be able to quickly remove it. So anyway, this switch is one of these switches here. So one of these, and what I did was I just literally cut it straight with a saw and just took out that piece. So this piece here, this here is just an LED, pretty much like this, just green color. I got this from a Arduino kit. So if you buy those Arduino kits, usually get a bunch of these wires and a bunch of LEDs and random resistors and stuff like that. So yeah, on the other side here we are using some of those wires actually. So I hooked them up to this 433 megahertz transmitter. So I actually use one of these for my Raspberry Pi to control the smart plugs, but the set came with two and I only have one Raspberry Pi, so yeah, second one here I just stuck it on with a bit of blue tack underneath. And then kind of the last sort of mod is the feet. So what I did here was I spray painted them copper first, so you can see the copper kind of shining through there. And then after that, I put a bit of green paint on them, and then I wiped it down before the paint dried. So you get a nice kind of copper aging kind of look. So yeah, since these are, aluminium, so yeah, I think this suits the the PCB here, or the RAM or whatever. So yeah, that's that. Here it is with LEDs. So I kind of matched it with the rows, so yellow, green, and then kind of purplish here. So yeah, that's how it looks like, if the camera will focus. Come on. Alright, there we go. So yeah, that's how that looks like. So pretty cool stuff. So yeah, just a quick video. I'll leave in the description what the keycaps are and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, they sound very nice. They're also domed, so if I turn sideways, you can see that it's goes in a semicircle kind of thing, So it's very easy to type on. These are ASCII keycaps, which are probably the biggest possible. So as you can see the size difference, they're almost the same height as the actual case. Yeah, just a little bit shorter. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, the switches are Zilents, so that's why they're quite silent. You can't really hear them, which is perfect if for the office and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching and bye bye.